Hey, it's Danny Watkins, American Eagle Harley-Davidson. This week, I get the new bike of the week. Folks, we got our 2025 35th anniversary Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, the Gray Ghost. It's our 5th Icon edition, and it says so right here, the Icon Collection Limited Edition from 1990. So that's when they built 1990 of these babies. And this is number 192. Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine. It's got all the new ride modes, rain, road, sport. This thing's got cruise control. It's just a fine, fine motorcycle. But again, the iconic Fat Boy, people are calling it the Gray Ghost. Please come see Danny. Let's take this baby for a test drive. Let's make it happen. Thank you.